We are preparing the next generation of educators.
It's been amazing.
So much fun, and you get to learn so much.
We're looking at kindergarten through 12th grade. We're trying to give them opportunities to teach and learn the tricks of the trade.
We have a program we actually articulate with Rogue Community College with their early learning and elementary education program. And our students have the opportunity to take numerous levels of courses, along with some field experience courses in our Child Development Center or out in our district elementary schools.
So I'll do a little bit, like if they missed a few things one day, then I'll work with them on that, or the ones that are a little bit behind in the reading, I'll just help them sound out words. We'll read a book together and I just help them catch up a little bit.
I've always been interested in child development, and I think it's a really good way to really get to know the career that I want to go into.
You know what I love about this is they get to test drive this before they actually go to college.
If they complete our program, they are eligible for 13 college credits in early learning and elementary education, which actually would award them a basic certificate in early childhood education upon graduation.
If you have any interest in children, I would give it a try. It's so much fun, and I think you'll have a blast doing it.
They just need to talk to their counselor.
10 out of 10 recommend.